Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 13th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 3.1, as well as the accelerated class has their math puzzle due tomorrow. For regular math, please make sure that you're using your journal for tonight's assignment. In science, you've got a Google form called Chemical or Physical to complete. Make sure that you are using your science notes to help complete this. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we have no homework. Remember to make sure that you turn in your quick write 3 from class today. It was an in-class assignment. Also, Mrs. Murray is going to be collecting homework passes tomorrow for extra credit. You will cut these out. Do not tear if you have not used them. Other teachers throughout the week will also be going through and collecting unused homework passes for extra credit. In literature, we need to be studying for our CFOC vocab test and our book test that's coming Thursday. Please make sure you're reading over your character trait notes as well as studying the vocab that's online. For accelerated literature, your Elements of Fiction packet is due on Wednesday. Finally, in Careers in Life, you have a Find the Hazards worksheet that is due tomorrow. In FCS 6, there is no homework. Everyone have an enjoyable Tuesday. We'll see you.